I want the Neary. I want the Neary fish. All right, I gotta go because I'm about to get on the ride.
To make your fish fly, press and hold the button in front of you. Release the button to come down. Thank you and enjoy your ride.
This ride's not that intense. I'm gonna stick my phone in my normal pocket. But it's intense enough that you gotta wear a seatbelt. We're in the Neary fish. Neary.
If you hold this, it doesn't go up, it goes all the way down.
Awesome, thank you. Oh, whoa. This thing is really intense. Wow, it's actually pushing me to the side. Whoa.
Thank you for riding Flyin Fish. Enjoy the rest of your day at Sesame Place.